Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to Happy Home Tuber. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then it's not too late. You can do the click and you can subscribe to my channel and you can press the bell button so that you'll get the notifications on time whenever I update the new recipes. Thank you. So today's recipe is fruit chia pudding. This is one of my favorite recipe for breakfast. Chia seeds have a lot of benefits. It helps in managing your weight. It helps to make your skin glow. It helps in numerous ways. So here are the ingredients. We need very less ingredients for this. So here I am using the almond milk because I am a vegan, so I am using plant-based milk. If you are not, you can use any kind of milk of your choice. So we need 1 cup of milk, then 1 spoon of honey or any kind of sweetener you can take. And the base of the recipe is chia seeds. So we need 1/4 cup of chia seeds here and a pinch of cinnamon. So here I have taken Sri Lankan cinnamon, that is rolled cinnamon. So you can take any kind of cinnamon of your choice. So to a bowl we will put the almond milk or any kind of milk which you are taking. So we'll just put it in a bowl. This is a very quick recipe, anyone can make, and usually I make it overnight before sleeping and in the morning it becomes like a pudding. So now we are going to add chia seeds. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of chia seeds or into 1 cup of milk, and the serving is only for 1. So we have to mix honey in that and mix this mixture very nicely. Give it a nice stir, and you have to keep this mixture in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or if you are keeping it overnight, that's good. So here I have kept it for 1 or 2 hours. So the mixture will look like this after keeping it in the fridge. So the chia seeds have swelled up, it has absorbed the milk. So the consistency will be like this, and if you keep it for overnight it will become more thicker. So now you have to take a glass or any bowl of your choice, and then we have to top it with our favorite fruits. Any seasonal fruits you can add. So here I have taken strawberries and blueberries. They are looking gorgeous. This recipe is so yummy, so easy and so filling. Anyone can make. It's very easy. No sugar, nothing. It's so healthy recipe, and it's a vegan recipe also. So if you're vegan, you can try this as a breakfast. So try this fruit chia pudding and let me know in the comments below. And here it is. It looks so nice and so filling and so yummy. Guys, do try this recipe and let me know. So enjoy your nutritious breakfast. See how it looks. So this is the basic recipe for chia pudding. You can add any flavorings of your choice. You can add green matcha powder or your protein powder also to give it a nice taste and a flavor also. So thanks for watching.